options.
And be making waves, boy. And be making waves, boy.
I'm big dog, all you others just some little puss. I pull up with the Rari, leaving with the Lambo. With your girl, she doing the limbo. While my or back up like
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to a DNA Drives video. In today's video, I'll be reviewing and unboxing this Armor All gift pack that I got from Walmart for 15 bucks. So let's get into the video and find out if this is the best $15 that you can spend on cleaning your interior. I'm also going to be cleaning out the interior of my car. It is very, very dirty, so let's get some before shots, and then when it's finished, let's get some after shots. So here's everything that came in the kit. We got some wheel and tire cleaner, tire shine, pack of these bad boys. Bet they smell pretty good. Looks cool, got a cool design on it. We got some protectant, 5-in-1 formula, extreme shield protectant, snow foam wash, glass wipes, and cleaning wipes. And just for the sake of this video, I'm going to be cleaning only my interior. I'll make another video on cleaning the exterior sometime in the summer when it's nice out. Right now it's very snowy and just messy and dirty out, so I'm not going to do all that right now. But for the sake of this video, I hope you enjoy the interior cleaning, and let's get into it.